Lot to get to in the forecast for tonight. Obviously, that threat for storms is going to be there for all of us, really. Mostly going to be for our southern counties, I think, for tomorrow. Let's get a live look at Tuscaloosa right now. You can make out those showers in the distance, those little light shades of gray at the horizon. Those are showers, and you can see that pretty well on radar as well. Some light rain beginning to move into parts of Tuscaloosa County right now, and in parts of Pickens County as well. Seeing some light rain towards Reform and Gordo and just east of Carrollton and Aliceville, all up and down Highway 82 here. And then as you move closer to Tuscaloosa, some more light showers here as well. But this is not going to be the heavy stuff. That'll hold off for a few more hours. I don't think if you have any plans tonight, I don't think you really need to worry about the rain too much, or any storms for that matter. Upper 60s right now towards Anniston, Gadsden, Coleman, low 70s. All the clouds that we had today helped to kind of moderate temperatures a bit. The average high temperature is around 76, and we only topped out at 72 today in Birmingham. All the action farther west in eastern Texas, just north of Houston, all up and down the I-10 corridor, moving towards the I-20 corridor, up towards Shreveport there. That's where all the storms are for right now, and as far back to the northwest as Oklahoma. A lot of active weather with this system that's coming in, and it's a pretty safe bet that it's headed our way, and sure enough it is. So here's the severe weather outlook. An enhanced risk of severe weather for much of the area south of I-20. That'll include the threat for strong winds especially. That'll be the main thing I think we have to contend with for tomorrow. Also possibly some large hail with the afternoon storms that come in. And yes, there will be some brief tornadoes possible, but it's not especially the main concern. I think we'll just see, well really, I mean, the winds will be out of the southwest, and that's not really what you want for tornado genesis. You need them to be out of the south, and that's just that's going to be the setup for tomorrow. They'll be out of the southwest. So here's the future cast. What we've got for you is a lot of these storms really beginning to fan out after midnight tonight. At around 4 a.m. we'll be watching for this squall line to come in, and this will mostly just clip our southern counties. Those of us farther north of I-20 probably not going to be impacted by this, but if you're in Clanton, if you're in Centerville, West Blockton, Alex City, Rockford, all these places farther south, you'll probably get some really strong winds kind of just before sunrise when this line comes in at around 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Most of that pushes over into Georgia by around 8 o'clock in the morning. We see a lull in the action, and here come those southwest winds coming in. And with the winds staying primarily still out of the south mostly, we'll still have some storms that bubble up. These will have a lower overall chance of seeing, a low chance of tornadoes, but we could definitely see some large hail develop in these storms, especially in the afternoon with all the unstable air still in place. So keep that in mind, kind of a long-winded event, and especially with these wind gusts that'll be coming in tomorrow morning. Move your stuff inside. If you have stuff laying outside on the porch or whatnot, a good idea to move it indoors. Could check out these wind gusts all the way up to 47 miles per hour tomorrow morning in Talladega, 41 miles per hour at Anniston. A little bit concerning for folks that are there for race weekend. See, stuff may get thrown around a little bit tomorrow morning. And same goes for what could be a possible wake low event that we'll see develop tomorrow morning. We'll have to keep an eye on that because those wind gusts could be really strong tomorrow morning, in the order of 40 to 50 miles per hour. And once we get past tomorrow, it's smooth sailing for the forecast until we get to around Thursday with that next chance of storms. Also, it is getting warmer. We're up to the mid-70s Sunday, back into the lower 80s, and eventually the mid-80s by Wednesday.